I'm Sister Carmen. Welcome to the fourth Sunday of Advent's reflection. On this fourth Sunday of Advent, we are called to take Christ to others and to bring others to experience Christ by our positive actions, as our Mother Mary demonstrated in her generous and selfless visit to Elizabeth, her cousin. Jesus is reborn every day in ordinary people living ordinary lives who have the willingness to respond to do God's will. It is time we bring people to experience Christ by our way of living. This is the most important of all and true spirit of Christmas. Saint Luke tells us how two insignificant women met to celebrate the kindness and fidelity of God. Mary set out and went in haste to visit her cousin Elizabeth. The meeting was a profound sharing of their experience on God's work in their lives. It also shows us how sensitive Mary was to the needs of her cousin, the older one who becomes pregnant in her old age. We need to carry Jesus to others as Mary did. Christmas is a time for us to be filled with the Spirit of Christ, allowing His rebirth within us. He enables us to share His love with all whom we encounter by offering them humble and committed service, unconditional forgiveness, compassionate, caring love. Let us take time to visit others, especially the sick, the housebound, orphans, lonely teenagers, elderly, and those on the periphery of our society, to bring some inspiration and bring them close to God. And also those of our friends where we experience mutual trust, energy, and love. God is faithful to His promises. Prophet Micah gives assurance to the Jews that God is faithful in His promises, that from an unimportant village of Bethlehem, He will send them a long expected ruler. God brings out something significant. It does not matter how insignificant your deeds are. God always treasures them and makes something meaningful. Be positive-minded and never be discouraged in doing that little you can do for others. The second reading encourages us to be thankful to Christ, who offered the perfect sacrifice of obedience that freed us from sin. May our lives be a sacrificial in this period of Christmas and reciprocate God's gifts of Himself to us. At this time of Christmas, when Christ comes, will you find a warm heart? Mark the season of Advent by loving and serving others with God's own love and concern, says Mother Teresa of Calcutta. May you and your loved ones live with joy in God's presence today and always. Happy Christmas to all of you.